Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to explore one of the cool features of Adobe Firefly AI, which is generative fill and text to image. So, if you want to take your photo editing to the next level, stick with me. First and foremost, let's get to know Adobe Firefly AI a bit. This is a powerful software equipped with various advanced features for photo editing. Two features we'll be discussing today are generative fill and text to image. Now, let's move on to step 2, generative fill. Generative fill is an incredible tool that allows you to fill empty areas in your photos with content automatically. It's a quick and easy way to enhance your photos without having to draw or manually edit. Step 1, open the photo you want to edit using Adobe Firefly AI. Step 2, select the generative fill tool from the tool panel. Step 3, highlight the area you want to fill, and Firefly AI will intelligently fill that area with relevant content. Next, let's look at text to image. This feature enables you to turn text into images effortlessly. Step 1, type the text you want to convert into an image. Step 2, choose the text to image option. Step 3, Firefly AI will generate an image that corresponds to the text you entered. And that's how you can use generative fill and text to image in Adobe Firefly AI to enhance your photos. I hope this tutorial has been helpful to you. Feel free to leave comments below if you have any questions or if there are any other tutorials you'd like to see in the future. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.